I have right here electric trimmer from Kensen. What a trimmer is you probably know, but let's see on the box what they say about this model. Body trimmer grooming kit, ergonomic and convenient, waterproof and easy to clean, multifunctional trimmer. On the back we have the specification, the name, the model, battery, charging time around 90 minutes, operating time about 100 minutes, waterproof IPX6, weight about 120 grams, size and made in China. And here we have the image. So let's unbox it and see what is included in the box. Here we have the manual, how to use it. Right here we have this adjustable distance in millimeters between 1 and 10. You can rotate it to adjust its distance. Here we have another head, this type of head with this cover. So with this one we have a constant distance, we cannot adjust it, or we can use it without to go on 0. Here we have a cable USB-C to USB-A, a cleaning brush, and right here is the trimmer. We have this default head that we can use with this adjustable distance or without it, or we can take it off and put on this other one, and we have a button to turn it on, and right here we can see the battery, and on the bottom here is the USB-C port. So let's test those tools. I will do the tests on my hand, and I have a microscope to better compare it if the image from the camera won't be close enough to see the details. Here you can see before there's some long hairs. Let's start by this default head without any distance. This was the single pass. Let's do a little bigger area. And let's see this place under the microscope. Here are the cut hairs. Like this it was before, and this is after. Let's now try this other end. Let's cut more hair. And let's see under the microscope the effects of this end. Here you can see the cut hairs. Now let's try cutting with this distance, like this. Let's see if they are long enough for it. I think they are too short for this distance, but let's try the first head. And let's put on this distance, and let's set it on 2 millimeters, for example, how it will shave. Now they are shorter. It looks like 2 millimeters, and here they are under the microscope. You can see they are not as short as before, but also not as long as on the beginning. So a easy for usage electric trimmer with a few ends that you can select depending on your situation what's the best choice for shaving your hair. And I really like that it has USB-C built in and not some custom charger that is only working with this one tool. USB-C is much more practical, and also this digital battery level is also useful, so you know exactly how much battery you have left, if you should charge it already or if you can shave some more hairs. So interesting small trimmer, and that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.